Unahin po natin yung separation pay na 1/2 month pay for every year of service. Ano-ano etong mga instances na to na mabibigyan ka na ng 1/2 month pay. By the way, ito pong 1/2 month pay ay literal na 15 days o kalahating buwan ng iyong sahod. Okay? So, 1/2 month pay kung mayroong retrenchment to prevent losses. Ito po yung pagbabawas ng empleyado para ma-prevent yung losses ng kumpanya. Pangalawa, closure na hindi dahil sa serious business losses. Kasi kung may serious business losses kaya nagsara ang kumpanya, wala pong separation pay. Okay? Pangatlo, incurable disease within 6 months. Nagkaroon po ng sakit ang empleyado na hindi po pwedeng magamot sa loob ng 6 na buwan as certified by a public health practitioner. Pang-apat, yung lack of service assignment po ng isang security guard for a continuous period of 6 months. May separation pay po dyan. Okay, no, 1/2 month pay for every year of service. Lack of service assignment, ito po yung security agency naka-off detail si guard kasi wala pang maibigay sa kanyang deployment or assignment na hindi dapat lumampas ng 6 na buwan or yung tinatawag din nilang floating status. Okay? So may separation pay po dyan kapag lumampas na ng 6 na buwan at walang panibagong assignment or deployment. Panghuli para sa separation pay na 1/2 month pay for every year of service, dun sa mga agency o yung mga tinatawag nating contractors or subcontractors na may lisensya under Department Order 174 ng DOLE. Okay, yung mga empleyado po dyan na walang service assignment o walang deployment for a continuous period of 3 months. Okay. Mababayaran na po kayo ng separation pay kapag hindi po kayo nabigyan ng trabaho ng agency after 3 months.